Let's see what hosting really means. Your company has a strong local presence. Now is the time to establish your business globally. So now you decide to create your own corporate website and host it with a data center. A data center comprises of a number of servers hosting different websites. Thus, deploying your website on a server connected to the internet is hosting. Let us now see the drawbacks of traditional hosting. You lease a dedicated server from a data center to host your website. Your website works like a dream. All users are happy. Your business starts accelerating. Fantastic. Your website is getting popular with more and more visitors every day, resulting in business expansion. With a steady rise in traffic, the load on the server increases, leading to its poor performance. Your website starts experiencing frequent downtime. You lease another server. Your website is up. The traffic increases during peak hours, which results in poor performance, and you again start experiencing frequent downtimes. You lease another server. Your website is up. With a steady rise in traffic, the load on the server increases, and you again start experiencing frequent downtimes. What just happened? You had less resources and more traffic. Then you had more resources and less traffic, resulting in loss of time, money, and customers. Do you now seek a lifesaver? Cloud comes to the rescue and washes away all your problems. Cloud provides flexibility, scalability, and stability. The cloud lets you scale up your resources at the time of increased traffic to maintain consistent performance. Availability of resources reduces downtime considerably and keeps your customers happy. So is cloud computing the answer to all your needs? What if you need more resources instantly during sudden increase in the traffic of your website? You may have to intervene to upgrade or downgrade resources on your cloud server, which may result in downtime of your website. Is your monthly cloud expenditure justified? You still pay a monthly fixed amount to your hosting company for resources you may never use. So how do you deal with all these issues? Enlight might just be the solution to all your worries. So how does Enlight work? Enlight allocates and deallocates resources to the server on the fly, which helps maintain optimum performance of your website at minimum cost. The Enlight also comes with some amazing features like virtually unlimited resources. An Enlight virtual machine does not have any limitation on the resource availability. So one has to define the resource allocation to the virtual machine. You can therefore set or change the maximum values of RAM and CPU allocation to your virtual machines anytime. Intuitive control panel. Enlight comes with a simple and a very user-friendly control panel interface. You can create VMs, edit settings, start, shut, and even reboot your VMs. You can forecast your monthly bills and perform many more critical day-to-day functions. Enlight facilitates automation to day-to-day management of your server in order to simplify and smoothen the entire process. No contracts. To make hosting easy for you, Enlight comes with absolutely no contracts. This gives you the flexibility and the freedom to choose the cloud server when you want, as you want, and for the duration you want. Billing Predictor Tool. With dynamic scales provided for CPU, RAM, disk space and bandwidth along with billing cycles like hourly, daily, weekly and monthly, you can just select the intended server configuration in the predictor tool and check the hourly, weekly and monthly bill forecasts. Zero downtime. Enlight's intelligent cloud scales server resources up and down as per the requirement of the hosted application or the site, resulting in no downtime even during times of high traffic or load spikes. Besides, Enlight uses the state-of-the-art infrastructure which almost nullifies any kind of hardware failure.